How to delete a story on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can delete your TikTok stories, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to actually delete a TikTok story that you've uploaded and you're not being able to figure out the option to do so, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the TikTok app. If I just come to my profile page from the bottom right, then most likely you'll be able to find the stories that I've added. And if I want to delete it, I can just tap on that specific story here. Just tap the three dots option here. Once I tap the three dots option, scroll all the way to the right hand side, you'll find the trash icon that says delete. You can tap the delete option, tap on delete button, and then this story will get successfully deleted. So if I just tap on it, if you just try to upload a story again, you'll be able to most likely go ahead and then delete it. This way you can basically delete a TikTok story. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.